Automotive aftermarket companies manufacture and distribute millions of distinct OEM products and replacement parts with broad customization options. Today's aftermarket supply chain requires complex data-driven collaboration between the manufacturer, its network of dealers and distributors, and the customers of those dealers. OEMs are adopting a digital-first transformation strategy around asset-based commerce. Among the goals, to streamline their response to dealers' requests and gather data on their assets in the field. Dealers with a portfolio of suppliers also are adopting and demanding a digital-first approach. Why? Because dealers and distributors prefer to do business with manufacturers with the best inquiry response and the best marketing and loyalty programs. What's more, customers expect aftermarket companies to quickly and completely respond to their online commerce inquiries, which is challenging because customers' preferences and demands constantly change. ForeFront delivers some of the most innovative automotive asset-based commerce solutions across Salesforce multi-clouds. Let's look at our solution for BraunAbility, an aftermarket manufacturer that provides wheelchair-accessible vehicles, lifts, and other mobility products. BraunAbility needed a 360-degree lifecycle view of its vehicles. It needed effective management of its broad network of dealers, and it needed to provide a seamless and powerful customer experience. Now, BraunAbility dealers can view and buy from current inventory, or purchase or configure from scratch completely online. For custom builds, wizards match a selected vehicle with proper parts such as lifts, transfer seats, and custom conversion kits. Previously, BraunAbility's order management required multiple item orders per location, but today, order management is seamless and highly efficient. Effective asset tracking is key to aftermarket profitability. In fact, dealers with a 360-degree view and an asset-based approach have a real competitive edge, and their clients benefit with improved customer support. Warranty, service, and loyalty programs also are examples of the potential of asset-based commerce. ForeFront optimized BraunAbility's warranty process, streamlined the service program, and implemented a dealer loyalty incentive. The loyalty program rewards dealers with funds for promotion and is fully integrated with Salesforce for on-demand visibility. Built with multiple Salesforce clouds, BraunAbility's asset-based commerce solution offers dealers critical capabilities, including intuitive catalogs, intelligent inventory management, on-demand warranty information, efficient customer transaction detail, and different part entitlement. And ultimately, BraunAbility gained improved operations and valuable business insights. The future of the automotive aftermarket industry is bright as more vehicle types hit the road, and ForeFront is ready to empower OEMs and their dealers with innovative solutions leveraging Salesforce Automotive Cloud.